Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer USDT from Binance Wallet to Binance Exchange in 2025. Whether you're a beginner dipping your toes into the crypto world or an experienced trader needing a quick refresh, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. It's quick, easy, and can save you from any unnecessary headaches. So, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Binance account. If you don't have one, head over to the Binance website and sign up. It's free and straightforward. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section. This is where all your assets are stored, including your USDT. Now, locate your USDT balance. Binance has a user-friendly interface, so you should see it listed under your wallet overview. Click on USDT to open its details. Here, you'll find an option to transfer funds. Select Transfer to Exchange. This is key because it moves your USDT from your spot wallet to the exchange wallet, where you can trade it. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer. Double-check this to avoid any mistakes. Crypto moves are final. You'll see a confirmation screen with details like fees and estimated time. In 2025, Binance has streamlined this process, so transfers are usually instant or take just a few minutes. Hit Confirm and verify the transaction using any security measures, like two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection. Once it's done, head back to your exchange wallet to see your USDT balance updated. Boom! You're all set to start trading. Remember, always keep an eye on transaction fees and market conditions, as they can fluctuate. If you run into any issues, Binance's support is top-notch. Just check their help center. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe and happy trading.